Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Nanprakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, yesterday we have seen some examples from exercise practice set 4.4. Now, today we are going to study the more example. See the example number 3. A dealer gives 10% discount on a showpiece of 25,000. GST of 28% was charged on the discounted price. Find the total amount shown in the tax invoice. What is the amount of CGST and SGST? Now see the solution. Discount is 10% on the rupees 25,000. The discount on 25,000 is 10 divided by 100 into 25,000, we get 2,500 rupees. Then taxable value. Now this is the discount given by the dealer. Then we find out the taxable value for finding the GST. Taxable value is 25,000 minus 2,500. We get 22,500. This is the taxable value. Then rate of GST is 28%. So the GST on this 22,500 rupees, GST equal to 28 divided by 100, which is the rate of GST, into 22,500. We get here 6,300 rupees GST. Now CGST and SGST are the same, which is the tax for the central government and this is the tax for the state government. Then equal to 1/2 GST. Means these two taxes are the half of the GST. We get here 3,150 rupees. The amount shown in the tax invoice, that is the taxable value. The amount shown in the tax invoice is the taxable value plus GST. Means this taxable value plus this GST. We get here the amount shown in the tax which is paid by the person to the dealer. 22,500 plus 6,300, we get here 28,800. See the another example number 4. Ready-made garment shopkeepers gives 5% discount on the dresses of rupees 1,000 and charges 5% GST on the remaining amount. Then what is the purchase price of the dresses of the customer? Now in solution, discount is the 5% of the rupees 1,000. For the 1,000, discount is 5 divided by 100 into 1,000. We get 50 rupees. Means the customer gives the 50 rupees discount. Taxable value is 1,000 minus 50. We get 950. Then GST on this 950 equal to 5 by 100 into 950. We get GST 47.50, means 47 rupees 50 paise. Purchase price of the customer equal to the taxable value plus GST. Taxable value plus GST, that is the purchase price for the customer. 950 plus 47.50 equal to 997.50. In this way we find out the purchase price for the customer. Then we again see the example. A dealer supplied walkie-talkie set of rupees 84,000 with GST to a police control room. Rate of GST is 12%. Find the amount of stated and central GST charged by the dealers. Also find the taxable value of the set. Now solution. In solution, the total value with GST equal to taxable value plus GST. Let the taxable value of a walkie-talkie set is X rupees. Then find out the GST on this X rupees. GST on X equal to percentage of GST 12 by 100 into the taxable value X. 12 into X divided by 100. 12x divided by 100 is the GST on the taxable value of a set is X. Then total value with GST equal to taxable value plus GST. Taxable value is X plus GST is 12x divided by 100, and total value with GST is given 84,000. Written here 84,000 equal to X plus 12x divided by 100. Sum of these two is 100x plus 12x, means 100 into x, 100x plus 12x divided by 100. Then we get here 112x. This 100 goes to the right side and multiply to the 84,000. Then we get here 84 lakh. Then x equal to 84 lakh divided by 112. We get here x equal to 75,000 rupees, means taxable value of the walkie-talkie is 75,000, and with GST 84,000 rupees. GST for the walkie-talkie is 84,000 minus 75,000. We get 9,000 here. Then CGST equal to SGST equal to 1 by 2 GST, where the GST is 9,000. So half of this 9,000 is 4,500. The taxable value of the set is rupees 75,000 and GST is 9,000. CGST is 4,500. SGST is 4,500. In this way we find out the GST, CGST, SGST and taxable value of the set. Good day, goodbye, okay.